Go.
Little do most people know that it's actually the grout that holds the tile down. So unless you remove the grout, it's going to be harder to get the tiles out. And once again, we're going to save as many parts as we can. And we'll just work slowly so we don't break the tile in case we decide to keep the tile. Which I don't know if that's going to be possible. So always check to see how far back it goes. So we're going to have to come back to this tile here. This is more than just a weekend project, obviously.